Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Today I am at Walmart. I also got some things from Hy-Vee because they had a lot of stuff on sale. And so if you're new to my channel, I post a weekly grocery haul and meal plan every Friday. And so subscribe if you want to see those. This is the meal planner I use. I still get some questions on this. It's the Carrie L meal planner, and this is the mini meal planner. I always have a link in my description box to her site, and then she also gave me a discount code that you guys can use. But basically you write your meals for the week over here, your grocery list over here, and then this part tears off so you can take it with you to the store. And then I just wanted to address some questions I got last week. Some of you that have found my channel have probably found it due to me posting low carb and keto meal preps. And after my grocery haul last week, I got some questions about whether I was still doing keto. The short answer is no. I guess I never really was doing keto in the traditional sense because during the weekend I kind of loosen up a little bit, and obviously if you eat carbs on the weekend, you're not staying in ketosis, which negates the point of keto. I did say, however, that I was using it as a tool to eat better, which I think that it does that for me. However, due to some health concerns, which I'm not really going to discuss publicly, I'm not going to be able to eat as high of a fat diet. So my plan is to still eat low carb during the week, but I will probably be eating things like hummus and some fruit, maybe some yogurt, different things like that. So let me know whether or not you're still interested in seeing the what I eat in a week videos. Obviously I'll still be trying to make healthy meals for myself and my family and pack lunches for work, that kind of thing. It just won't be necessarily keto. I might make some keto recipes, but overall I won't be eating that way. So now I'm done rambling. I'm gonna go into Walmart and then I will show you guys what I picked up when I get back home. All right, so I also went to Hy-Vee in addition to Walmart just because they had some sales that I wanted to take advantage of. So I will let you know which things I got from Hy-Vee, but I got the majority of things from Walmart. I had kind of a mixed transaction and I had some birthday gifts in there as well. So I'm going to estimate I spent about $160 on groceries. Sometimes I get questions on what my weekly budget is, and usually I try to spend $200 a week, and that is on household items and groceries combined. And I will apologize in advance for my dog because no, sit down. I just got home and he is very excited for me to be here. So I'm sorry if you hear his nails clicking on the floor. Okay, so I'll start with the produce. I got probably the majority of my produce from Walmart. I did grab some romaine hearts. Last week I got green leaf lettuce, and while it does stay fresher longer in the refrigerator, I do like romaine lettuce better just because it's crunchier. I got some iceberg lettuce for sandwiches, and we're gonna have tacos this week, so we like iceberg lettuce for that. I got a couple of broccoli crowns to cut up for veggies and dip. I got an orange pepper. They did not, I actually wanted to get a red pepper, but they did not have very many good sized or nice red peppers, so I ended up getting an orange. I got some carrot chips to have with dip and hummus, and I also got a cucumber to cut up for dip as well. I got some bananas and also some cherry tomatoes for salads. From Hy-Vee, I picked up 18 eggs. They had these on sale for a good price and we needed some more, so I got that. They also had Lunchables on sale, 10 for $10 at Hy-Vee. My kids like to take these for lunch or have them for a snack before they go to dance or swim or soccer. So I don't have them all out here, but I'm just going to show you the ones I got. I got a couple of the pepperoni and mozzarella. I got a couple of the turkey and American and a couple of the bologna and American. And then Connor likes the cheese pizza ones, so I got a couple of those for him. And then I also got some of these snack packs. These actually come in two different kind of containers, and you rip them apart. And so this one is turkey, mozzarella, and mini Ritz crackers, and the other one is ham, cheddar, and mini Ritz. I also got some heavy whipping cream for coffee. I can mix this actually with milk and make my own half and half if I need that. And then I also decided to get some cold brew coffee. I've been liking to have this mixed with almond milk as like a cold coffee drink. So I got that. And then I got some cottage cheese to make some of my egg bites that I make every week for meal prep for breakfasts. And then I also got some Florida's Natural orange juice. I don't buy this a lot, but I normally just buy it and we have it on the weekends for breakfast. I picked up some sour cream because we were almost out of that. And then I got my kids a couple of different Jell-O puddings. They had these on sale at Hy-Vee for $1.77. So I got some of the lemon meringue pie. I know that Kira will really like that. And then they both like this Hershey's cookies and cream puddings. Those will be good for their lunches. From Walmart, I got a couple of yogurts for myself. This is the toasted coconut vanilla. And actually I was surprised to see that this only has, 9 grams of carbs. That's pretty good. And then this one is a strawberry cheesecake. I also got some margarine. We don't go through a lot of this, but I like to have it on hand for when the kids want toast. It's just so much easier to spread this on just because all my butter is hard in the refrigerator. I got some mozzarella pearls to make some salads with. And then Hy-Vee had bacon on sale for $3.99 a pack. So I got 2. I got one of the sweet smoked, that is more of the thick cut bacon, and then one of the center cut bacon. I needed some chicken for recipes this week, and so they had this on Walmart markdown, the Tyson trimmed and ready chicken breast tenderloin. So I got 1 package of that. I got some ham for meal prep and some sandwiches this week. And then I also got some of the Castlewood smoked turkey breast. I got this at Walmart. This is a good alternative to fresh sliced deli meat if you're looking for one. From Hy-Vee, I picked up some Triscuits. They had these on sale, so I like to have these in the pantry. In case we need a snack, we can take these with some lunch meat and cheese. I got some suddenly salad. This is Adam's favorite kind. This is the BLT pasta. And then I also got some couscous. I will probably make that in the coming week with some salmon for the kids. They like that for dinner when we have shrimp. I just picked up 1 package of granulated sugar. We don't go through this very fast at all, but with the holidays coming up, I thought it would be good to have a replacement on hand for baking. I got 2 packages of Philadelphia cream cheese. I have a couple recipes that I want to make with that. And then I also got the kids some Go-Gurt for their lunches. This is the SpongeBob kind, and there is strawberry and cotton candy in there. I also got some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I was all out of those, and I like to have those on hand in case I want to make the kids like chocolate chip pancakes or chocolate chip cookies or something like that. Okay, so for football tomorrow, I am planning on making some Reuben dip. I will leave the link for that recipe in the description box below, but to serve with that, I just got some of this cocktail rye bread. I'll probably toast that up in the oven. This is also really good to make cucumber sandwiches with for appetizers. I got some honey wheat bread for sandwiches for the kids this week, and then I got some 12 grain bread. I'll probably just keep half of this loaf out and then freeze the other half of it. I know that we're gonna have BLTs tomorrow, but Adam and I don't go through bread very fast, so it's usually better if I freeze part of it so that it doesn't go bad. I got some flour tortillas. I'm going to be making tacos and quesadillas this week, one night for the kids for supper. And then Kira actually requested some of these spinach wraps. She likes when I make these like pinwheels for her lunch. I just put like turkey and cheese and lettuce in them and roll them up, slice them up, and she likes to have those for lunch for school. I got some Nutri-Grain waffles especially for Connor. He likes to have these in the morning with Nutella for breakfast. And then as a treat for the kids, I got them some vanilla ice cream sandwiches and some frozen yogurt pops. This is the chocolate chip cookie dough kind. They really like those. Okay, and then at Hy-Vee, they had the Smart Ones Weight Watchers meals for 6 for $10. So I got 2 of the chicken enchiladas Suiza. And then I also got some of these breakfast ones. I got 2 of the Santa Fe scramble and 2 of the crispy bacon scramble. I was actually surprised at the carbs in these. They only have 16 net carbs per dinner. So I thought that would be pretty good for a weekday breakfast if we needed them. I got these for the first time last week and the kids seemed to like them, so I got them again. These are the Fruit Shoot. They're basically just like 0 calorie, 0 sugar flavored water. They like to pack these in their lunch. I got some of the Atkins shakes. These are just dark chocolate, high protein, low carb shakes. These are nice to have on hand in the refrigerator to have for breakfast if I want one. I got some diet soda, Diet Wild Cherry Pepsi, and Diet Sierra Mist. And then just for non-food, I got Kira some shampoo and conditioner. This is the Daily Moisture by Dove. I got myself some Degree deodorant, and then I also picked up some AA batteries. Oh Lord. Okay, so here is the meal plan for this week. I'm actually forgetting to film this until later in the week so I can tell you whether we followed it or not. Sunday I planned just some snack foods just because we were going to be at home all day. Adam was going to be watching football and I was going to be working on meal prepping. So I actually had to thaw out chili that I had in the freezer, but I didn't end up doing that. I did make the Reuben dip, which I can leave a link to that recipe in the description box below. It was really good. And then for dinner we made BLTs and had veggies and dip, and then I also made some pasta salad, which I did not write down. Monday we had shrimp and salmon. I baked some salmon with lemon and dill in the oven. The kids really like that, and so do I. And then I also sauteed some shrimp with some Old Bay. Sorry, I couldn't think of the name. Some Old Bay seasoning. I had written down cauliflower rice, but we actually ended up just having couscous and some green beans with that. You can actually see what we had for dinner this week in Monday's video. I'm doing a collaboration with someone, what's for dinner video, so stay tuned for that. Tuesday I had down to make Cobb salad and fruit and then chicken nuggets for the kids, but I did not end up making that. I can't remember what we did for dinner that night. This week has sort of been crazy. So Wednesday I had that we were going to eat out or get Subway. We actually ended up getting Jimmy John's. The kids have 2 activities that night. Kira has dance and Connor has swim, so it's kind of hard to figure out how to make something for dinner in there. Thursday I had written down chicken tacos and quesadillas, but we actually ate out again last night because Adam and I had to go pick up a couch that we had ordered for our family room upstairs, and by the time we got that upstairs it was like 7 o'clock, and so I just ran and got Wendy's. So this week has kind of been a fail for the meal plan, but Friday actually is today. We are going to one of our friends' son's birthday parties, and it's at the bowling alley, so we'll probably just be eating pizza there. Tomorrow I don't have planned out yet, and I know that Kira and I are going to kind of do a girls' day, so we'll probably go out to eat for lunch, and then I'll probably make something for dinner. So yeah, this week didn't quite go as planned, but there's always next week. So thanks again for watching. If you're new, I post a grocery haul and meal plan every Friday or Saturday, and so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you